Wait, please. The door is closing now.
Sir, we are closing very soon.
Hello, I need just 2 minutes.
Okay, come in quickly. Please hurry.
Thank you. I ran from my car.
I am Sarah, the storekeeper here.
I am Tom. I need a few items.
Tell me fast. I will help you.
I need milk, bread, and a gift.
Milk and bread are on this shelf.
Where is the gift section?
Follow me. It is near counter.
I feel nervous. Time is very short.
Do not worry. We are almost done.
I forgot my wallet in car.
Please run fast. I will wait.
Thank you. I am going now.
I will keep the door open.
I am back. Sorry for delay.
It is okay. Come to counter. I will scan items quickly.
Please use my card now.
Payment done. Here is receipt.
Thank you. You saved my day.
You are welcome. Shop is closed now.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, this food looks strange to me. Sir, is there a problem? Hello, I need help before buying.
Sure. What item are you checking?
This milk feels warm already.
I am Sarah, the storekeeper.
I am Tom. I want fresh food.
Let me check the date first.
I do not want old items.
You are right to ask. The date is from yesterday.
Is it still safe to drink?
Yes, but it tastes better fresh.
Can I get a newer one?
Yes, follow me to fridge.
This one feels very cold.
Check the date here.
Today's date looks perfect.
This one arrived this morning.
That makes me feel better.
Please check color and smell.
It looks clean and fresh.
Good choice. Go to counter.
Thank you for being honest.
You are welcome. Freshness matters.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, please. I want one more thing.
Sir, the order is almost ready.
Sorry, I changed my mind now.
Okay, what do you want more?
One more burger, please.
Sure. Chicken or beef burger?
Chicken burger. No spicy sauce.
Do you want cheese inside?
Yes, add cheese, please.
Anything else with the burger?
Fries are already in my order.
Drink is cola, right?
Yes, medium-size cola.
That will take 2 more minutes.
That is fine. I can wait.
I will prepare it fresh now.
Thank you for asking clearly.
I want your order correct.
I really like this place.
Here is your extra burger.
It smells very good and fresh.
Please check your full order.
Everything looks perfect now.
Enjoy your meal. Have a nice day.
Thank you. See you again soon. Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Excuse me, this is not my order.
Sorry, what did you say?
I think you did not hear me.
Oh, I am really sorry.
I asked for no onions.
I may have missed that.
I said it 2 times earlier.
Thank you for telling me again.
I feel a bit frustrated now.
I understand. That is my mistake.
I just want a simple meal.
Let me fix this quickly.
Please listen carefully this time.
Yes, no onions at all.
Also, less sauce, please.
No onions, less sauce, correct?
Yes, that is correct now.
I will remake it fresh.
Thank you for your help.
I appreciate your patience. Here is your new plate.
This looks right now.
Please tell me if anything else.
Everything is perfect, thanks.
Enjoy your meal.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, please. I lost something inside. Sir,
The shop is closing right now.
Hello, I think I lost my wallet here.
Okay, calm down. Tell me slowly.
I paid here 10 minutes ago.
I am Sarah, the storekeeper.
I am Tom. I feel very worried.
What color is your wallet?
It is black and small.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, I checked twice already.
Let us check the counter area.
I remember standing near here.
Please look under the counter.
I cannot see anything here.
Wait, I see something behind.
Is that my wallet?
Yes, it was near the scanner.
Oh, wow. I feel so relieved.
Please check everything inside.
Yes, all cards are here.
Good. Please keep it safe.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
I will be more careful next time. Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Can you drive faster? I'm very late.
Sir, traffic is heavy right now.
Hi, I'm sorry, but I'm worried.
Hello. It's okay. Where are you going?
I must reach the airport quickly.
When is your flight departure time?
Boarding starts in 30 minutes only.
Oh, wow, that is very soon.
My meeting ended later than planned.
I understand. I will try my best.
Is there a faster road we can take?
Let me check the GPS map.
What does it say right now?
The highway is blocked by traffic.
Oh no, I might miss my flight.
Wait, I see a shorter side road.
Is it safe and open now?
Yes, cars are moving well there.
Please take that road quickly.
All right, turning now. Hold tight, please.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
Look, the airport sign is ahead.
That was faster than I expected.
I'll stop right near departures gate.
Perfect. I can run inside now.
Have a smooth flight today.
I made it because of you. Thanks.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
Wait, this is not my station.
Sir, the doors are opening now.
Hi, excuse me. I think I'm lost.
Hello. Don't worry. Tell me your station.
I need to go to Riverside Station.
Oh, this is Park Central Station.
Oh no, did I miss it already?
Did you check the train screen?
I slept and missed the announcement.
That happens. How many stops ago?
Maybe 2 stops before this one?
Okay, we can fix this easily.
Will I need a new ticket?
No, your ticket is still valid.
Great, but what should I do now?
Take the next train going backward.
Is it leaving soon?
Yes, in about 10 minutes.
Which platform should I use?
Platform 2 across from this track.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. Please follow the blue signs.
I will watch the stops carefully now.
Good idea. Stay near the door.
Thanks again for your help today.
Enjoy your trip and stay relaxed.
Next time, no sleeping on trains.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
Oh no, my train ticket is missing.
Sir, the train leaves in 5 minutes.
Hi, I need help right now.
Hello, please stay calm. What happened?
I had my ticket a minute ago.
Okay, let's find it together quickly.
I checked my pockets twice already.
Did you drop it near the gate?
Maybe. I walked fast from the taxi.
Do you have an online ticket?
Yes, but my phone battery died.
That makes it harder now.
Can I still board without it?
The conductor must scan your ticket first.
Wait, I remember holding coffee there.
Let's check the cafe counter quickly.
Oh no, what if someone took it?
Don't worry, most people return lost tickets.
My train is calling passengers now.
Look, is that paper under your bag?
Yes, that is my ticket.
Great. Keep it safe in your wallet.
Thank you for helping me so fast.
You're welcome. Please go to platform 3.
I will run now. Have a nice day.
Enjoy your trip and travel safely.
I almost missed everything today.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
I need help. I can't find my gate.
Sir, your flight boards very soon.
Hi, please help me quickly.
Hello. Stay calm. Show me your ticket.
Here it is on my phone.
Okay, let me check the gate number.
This airport is very big.
Yes, it can feel confusing sometimes.
I walked for 10 minutes already.
Your gate changed just now.
Changed? Oh no, where is it?
It moved from gate 12 to gate 20.
Is gate 20 far from here?
It's about a 7-minute walk.
I'm afraid I will be late.
Don't worry. Follow me, please.
Thank you for coming with me.
Take the escalator up first.
Should I run or walk fast?
Walk fast. Running is not safe.
I see the gate sign ahead.
Great! Boarding has not started yet.
What a relief. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Keep your phone ready.
I will. You saved my trip today.
Have a pleasant flight.
I feel relaxed now. Thanks again.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
Oh no, my bag is too heavy.
Sir, it is over the weight limit.
Hi, can you help me please?
Hello, let me see your bag.
I packed it last night quickly.
Please place it on the scale.
Wow, 28 kilos? That's a lot.
The limit is only 23 kilos.
What should I do now?
You can remove some items.
But I need everything inside.
Maybe move things to a carry-on bag.
I only have this small backpack.
That works if it fits overhead.
Okay, I will open it now.
Please step aside to repack calmly.
These shoes are very heavy.
You could wear them instead.
Good idea. I'll change quickly.
Also, move books into your backpack.
All right, please weigh it again.
Perfect. Now it's exactly 23 kilos.
That is great news.
Here is your baggage tag.
Thank you for your patience today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
I learned to pack lighter now.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.